by our guests this morning. We have Namit Saxena, who's an advocate on record for the Supreme Court. Ahmed Ayaz, who's also a lawyer and political analyst. Namit Saxena, to you first. Even before the survey report is being submitted, it was just concluded yesterday. We are already seeing how the Muslim section is already at the Supreme Court's doors. The last time they were not heard. The Supreme Court asked for more time to really go through the case. And now once again, we are expecting the hearing to happen today.
The filing of a matter before the Supreme Court, as per the Supreme Court rules, simply filing a matter does not entitle a party to claim some rights. The Supreme Court is yet to adjudicate the matter. It is listed today. They'll decide the matter either way. They may issue notice, grant a stay. They may not issue notice and dismiss the matter, simply settle. But this is under Article 136. They are seeking special leave to appeal. This is one. Second, this is not merely a claim. A judicial order has been passed by the local court saying that as a temporary arrangement, we are preserving the site. I don't think with this temporary arrangement, any rights of any party are being infringed. The court simply says that during pendency of the suit, for the time being, let this not be disturbed. And this can be of two perspectives. One, as the order says, this is a very important evidence, so that evidentiary value should not be destroyed. One. Second, whatever has been found, either a shivling or a fountain, this is of archaeological importance. So anyhow, it should be preserved.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Ayaz, what is the contention as far as the Muslim panel or the Masjid panel is concerned? Because they have been approaching the court in their petition citing communal disharmony, sir.
Absolutely. See, one thing has to be understood that these religious matters are highly sensitive and inflammable. And seeing that these issues can come in the way of progress of the country, the Act was passed in 1991, holding the position of 1947 as it existed, so far as the conversion and change of religious places is concerned. And if you go by this surveys and this by logic that at this place, at a particular place where there is a mosque, there is something found pertaining to Hindus, or there is a temple, then the Muslims will claim that something is found pertaining to the Muslims, then there is no end of it. That's why it was put an end by virtue of 1991 Act. So, without getting the merits as to whether there is something existing now, or as claimed by the other parties, the Hindus claim, or there is nothing existing, or it is just a manipulation or a creation, or just a concocted thing. So that's why an end was put to the whole issue. Why these...
but Mr. Ayaz, it is not just a single claim or a single survey that we are talking about. And if Namit, you could also come in here. We also have now accessed maps that were submitted to the then British government in 1936, laying out clearly where the mosque was. And it states that the Mahadev temple at one time, which has now been taken over by the mosque. How would you read to that?
No, that's what I say. That's what I say. Why was 1991 Act about religious places enacted? To see that these issues are unending, there may be situations like this, and that's why. To see that it does not crop up always, an end was put to these issues, to see that there is no claim of either party, whatever it existed as of 1947. So, likewise, there may be something pertaining to Muslim
But basically, your contention is that the government should protect all of those religious places as they were following the 1991 Act. Remains to be seen whether that would be taken up in the Supreme Court today, because both sides are claiming, of course, the Hindu side claiming that a Shivling that has been found, the Muslim side claiming that it is just a fountain and no Shivling that has been found at the mosque premises. Namit and Ayaz, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. We headed